Coming through again, you done know, with another video too. So today you guys, I am at my homeboy shop. I'm gonna be doing the oil change, my first oil change on my car and thing. So tune in, enjoy the show, and like, subscribe, and comment. You done know. So you guys, I am at my homeboy's garage. I'm about to do the first oil change on the car and thing. As you can see, I took off the plastic dip. So now all the wheels don't have plastic dip on them. They look so much better without the plastic dip. I don't know why this man or the previous owner would put plastic dip on the rims. Still kind of baffles me, but hey, that's people for you again, you know? But yeah, I'm at the homeboy shop. We're about to go do the oil change on thing. By the way, I'm going to link his number in the description. He more or less does a lot of BMWs, like this 7 Series. He does other domestic cars as well too. You see all the BMWs them. This is his shop. Straight Bimas. Like I said, I'll link his information in the description below. Like he does more or less foreign cars, which is lit. Alright, now I'm gonna cut the clip here, and then next time I guess my car should be done.
Definitely.
In case y'all was wondering how much it is to do an oil change, let y'all know.